I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Myla.
And today we're making
Zucchini stuffed
salad.
So we're going to start with 1 pound of ground turkey. This is already cooked, so it's safe for little kiddos. And we're going to add half of my large can of crushed tomatoes. That'll be about 14 ounces. And stir.
And stir.
To this, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste.
That smells good. Yes, it does.
2 teaspoons of low sodium soy sauce.
Stir, Myla, stir, stir.
1 tablespoon of dried basil.
You do it, Myla.
Half a teaspoon of ground thyme.
Brown thyme, Myla.
1 can of tomato paste. And then pepper to taste. And combine your ingredients well. Then we're gonna set our tomato sauce aside. Now we're gonna make our cheese. So we have 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of zucchini. This is a mixture of shredded zucchini and pureed zucchini just to give it a little bit of texture, but you can do whichever one you want to do. A 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. 1 large egg beaten. About a cup of mozzarella cheese. And now we're ready to layer. I have a 9 by 13 pan, and we're gonna start with about half. And now we're going to stuff our shells. So I have already cooked these pasta shells. They are a little al dente. You don't want them to be fully cooked because if they are, then they will get squishy when you bake them in the oven at the end of this. So I boiled these for about 7 minutes. We're gonna take a good scoop of our white mixture, and then we're just gonna top with a nice mound of our meat sauce. See if we can get it to kind of settle down in there and just set it right down in our pan. Doesn't have to be beautiful. And any meat sauce that you have left over, obviously just tack that on there. We're gonna put the rest of our can of crushed tomatoes on here. And your goal is to make sure that no pasta has no sauce on it, because pasta that is exposed is gonna dry out. So you wanna make sure that there is some kind of sauce on every bit of pasta that you can see. Now, we're gonna take the rest of our cheese. It's about another cup, but do it however much you want. If you like a lot of cheese, put on a lot of cheese. Spread it out. Good job.
Oh, nice.
Good job.
Bake at 350 degrees for 20 or 25 minutes.
We are back. It has been 25 minutes plus a little bit of time to cool off. Dig in, girls.
Mmm.